Hi, I'm Jean Panic-Kiefner, the Director of Sales at Thursby by Identiv. This is part 7 of our 12-part Sub Rosa for Android user guide series. In this video, we'll begin to talk about the settings menu in Sub Rosa and the various options available. If you don't know what Sub Rosa is, or if you're not sure which app to download, I recommend checking out the first video in this series. A link to that is available in the video description below. Let's get started. The settings menu is under the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the app. The settings menu contains a variety of information and options that you can enable or disable. About displays the version and build number of Sub Rosa that is installed. By tapping this button, you are able to access the licensing agreement and registration page. Enhanced OWA Client enables or disables our OWA Client view. We will discuss the Enhanced OWA Client more in Part 9 of this series. Homepage allows you to configure a new default homepage. User Agent configures the user agent that is sent to web servers. Changing the user agent allows Sub Rosa to emulate other web browsers. This is a useful setting if you're having issues accessing certain sites. Many times, changing the user agent will solve the problem. User Keychain will take you to the user keychain so you can view your certificates. Secure Reset removes any browser and certificate cache as well as closes any open windows. Be sure to perform a secure reset before allowing another person to use the app. Fips 140 TAC2 mode forces Fips 140 TAC2 level of encryption when connecting to web servers. Sub Rosa will fail to connect if the server does not meet this specification. This mode is usually disabled to improve connection times. Clear Certificates clears any manually trusted website certificates. Clear Client Certificates clears any cached client certificate preferences. Sub Rosa attempts to remember your certificate choices for various sites until the next secure reset. Use this if you accidentally choose the wrong certificate for a site. Accept Cookies allows you to change how cookies are managed within the app. Clear Cookies clears any cached website cookies. Clear Browsing Data removes downloaded page resources and clears the history. Each of these clear options happens automatically during a secure reset of the app. These basic settings will allow you to optimize Sub Rosa to fit your personal needs. If you're interested in how to create a fully customized version of Sub Rosa for a large enterprise deployment, or if you have questions about anything you saw in the video today, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. We'd be happy to answer your questions. In the next video, we'll review the help menu and ways to contact support. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this video helpful.